4 had made some bad decisions in his life. He was young, and it seemed like every number was doing it. He joined the integer mafia. Since then, he'd done a lot of things he regretted. He wanted to get out of the integers, but he knew it was hopeless because they were a closed number family. One day, he was talking to his friend -3 about it. -3 said, "We should just try." But he knew it was hopeless. -3 said, "We've got to see if there's any route of exit from this number family. Let's just give it a try." He said, "All right, but it seems like every number is in the integers. It has all the negative numbers, 0, and all the positive numbers." -3 said, "Let's just try addition." So he said, "Okay." And they said, "Well, 4 plus -3, well, that's 1. And 1 is an integer. So we can say it's closed, because if we do addition as an operation, we're still in the integers." He said, "Don't give up. Let's try subtraction. 4 minus -3. Well, when you subtract a negative, it's like adding a positive. And so that's just 7. 7 is an integer. And so we didn't get out." -3 said, "Don't give up. We can do this. What if we multiply?" He said, "All right, well, 4 times -3, that's -12. Still an integer. And since we got an integer, it's closed. Anytime we get another integer, we haven't left the number family, so it's closed." -3 said, "Don't give up. We've got one more chance. Let's divide." Well, 4 divided by -3, that's -1.3 repeating. They were so excited. That's not an integer. That's a rational number. A rational number is in a different number family. So we can say that the number set is not closed under division. So the moral of this story is that if you've joined the integer mafia, or the even numbers cartel, or the gangdom of odd numbers, give some numbers a try and see if addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are closed. So let's try the even numbers. If we have the even numbers and we want to see if it's closed, we're going to pick 2 and we're going to try addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We're going to see if we get out of the even numbers. So I'm going to just pick 2 numbers randomly to use. So I'm going to do -2 and maybe 6. So we'll try adding them first. That's another even number, so it's closed. Well, I'm going to try subtraction. I can choose different numbers or the same ones. I'll do the same ones. -2 minus 6, that's -8, so that's closed. And how about multiplication? I'll do -2 times -6. When you're multiplying integers, a negative times a negative is a positive. So that's 12. That's closed. All right, let's try dividing. -2 divided by -6. The negatives cancel. We could reduce it to 1/3. We've gotten out of the even numbers. So we could say division is not closed. Now, it's coincidental, right, that division wasn't closed in both cases. Division is often not closed. So that's a pattern you can not necessarily assume, but it does happen a lot.